Merlin is my Great Dane. He's 9 years old. He is 150 pounds, and he's an amazing dog. The reason I came to Integrated was because Merlin has a couple vertebrae in his upper back that are fused together, and he was having a really hard time walking. He was not himself. I knew that there were a lot of problems with him, and he was snapping at people. He loves people, and so when he started snapping, I realized that we needed to dig a little deeper. I learned about Integrated through one of the doctors at Animal Ark, which is my primary vet.
Animal Ark was opened in 2003, so we've been around about 11 years. We see all sorts of pets, anything, birds, lizards, cats, dogs, anything under the sun you have, we'll see. We do full boarding, grooming, full veterinary services under one roof. We are not afraid to incorporate alternative medicines, so working with Integrative is great for that regard. And specifically, my own pet, I was worried that my little Chihuahua after surgery would not be able to use her front right leg. And after several weeks of therapy at Integrative, she is now running around like a terror and completely able to use her leg. I'm thrilled with how well they were able to improve her quality of life.
Animal Ark and Heal are a great group of veterinarians and staff. We work with a lot of their patients. They are really forward-thinking in trying to do the most for their patients without just doing some drugs here and there. They like to do the whole approach, which is nice for our patients.
We were referred to Integrated, and the care here has been amazing. He went from a dog that was losing a tremendous amount of muscle mass in his hindquarters to a very happy, tail wagging. He's bulked up quite a bit, and it's been just fantastic. He's a whole new dog. At 9, I would never have imagined that he could do what he can at this point.
We offer acupuncture, VSMT or spinal manipulative therapy, also known as chiropractic, hydrotherapy, therapeutic exercises, laser. We have some great massage therapists. We do some electromagnetic therapy. There's a lot of different things that we offer for our patients.
Animal Ark is our primary care physician, Dr. Landini, who we love. And ironically, they opened just maybe a year, I want to say, before Integrative did. So we are lucky that we happen to live right in between Animal Ark and Integrative, which is very convenient for us.
They work hand in hand. They go through
Dr. Landini is a big proponent of Integrative. One time Emily was the dog that we got to accompany and be a companion to our other 3 dogs, those being 2 Mastiffs, a German Shepherd, and then we got Emily. This will be the 3rd dog that we actually brought here to Integrative. Thank goodness that they were close to our house, but happened to be the best, most outstanding care. And the one place that the dogs always went, that we're always happy to come here and never looked over their shoulder as they ran down the hallway. But she just recently had 2 different surgeries. She snapped both of her ligaments in both of her rear legs at the same time.
toward the ACL.
Both legs had to be surgically repaired about a month and a half apart, right?
Right.
And all of her follow-up doctors were adamant about the fact of the benefit of physical therapy as a repair. And in fact, I forget what I asked the surgeon, but I asked her if she thought maybe it was a supplement or maybe it was something like that. And I said, do you think we should do this? And she said, I would never advise any pet parent to do that. I would much rather see you take that money and apply it to physical therapy.
And it seems like it works wonders, because she was like limping. She couldn't move. She doesn't do nothing. Now she runs. She goes over there. She doesn't even want to wait for the stairs. She just wants to jump off the thing. We have to go and tell her, because she wants to come in there. She pulls me in here like a sled dog.
The environment here is so open and friendly, and not that I'm a vibe person, but the vibe here is very positive. Right?
10-4.
It's true though.
Yeah.